Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to extract files on MacBook in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course, let's say we've downloaded some, application or software on our browser and it is its format is on zip file. And we need to extract that file in order to get or to successfully install the application that we wanted to install on our MacBook. So I have here an example, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, okay, I have here a zip file here. But of course you can actually search from your, documents if you have some that you wanted to extract its file on it, okay? So, okay, let's go back in there. So, I have here a zip file and there's a file in it, okay? So, in order to extract that file, what we need to do, guys, is just to do or double tap this file. Okay, let's do it. Okay, okay, now, as you can see, guys, so the VN has its VN2 file on it, okay? So now we successfully extract the files on our MacBook. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.